Put your money in. I'm finna short everything. Oh, I've been watching 3 contracts. Hey, what's up, Charter fam? Now I know we are so close to the bull market. I mean, beginning stages, everything is starting to go crazy. Everybody's looking for those new tokens. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at this new meme coin that I found. Hopefully everybody's having a good day out there. Like, subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it. All right, here we go. We are here on Presale. .finance. Okay, so it's launchpad list here. We're gonna shoot down here. I was taking a look at they got a lot of new projects out, but this here is going to be the Baby Biden presale. Okay, it releases in probably a little over a day and a half, give or take. All right, and total token supply, it looks like it's about 420 trillion tokens for pre-sale. It's going to be about 282 trillion tokens for liquidity. Is going to be about 137 trillion. The pre-sale rate's going to be 1 BNB. Listing rate's going to be about the same. The initial market cap, it's going to be about 39,000. Soft cap 35 BNB. Hard cap 70 BNB. Oh, let's see. It's going to be listed on PancakeSwap. Okay, that's sale types whitelist only. Okay, and for you to be a part of this Baby Biden pre-sale, you'll come to Presale.finance, and you'll want to connect your wallet, and you can use BNB or whatever. Sometimes they'll use BNB, sometimes you'll be able to use Ethereum. So there's different payment methods that you'll be able to use to be a part of these pre-sales. But until then, we're going to go ahead and pipe up their website. I really like their website. It's kind of neat. The next crypto leader is coming, revolutionizing the crypto world and leadership inspired by the United States President Joe Biden. Okay, 0 holders, 0 market cap, and 0 price because it is not yet released. A couple partners in crime there is Presale, DexView, AvDex, PancakeSwap, Presale. Okay, about Baby Biden. It's going to give you a little bit on this. I want you to join their Telegram. We'll click there in a second. In the spirit of Joe Biden, audacity, and innovation, Baby Biden token emerges as a beacon of possibility, pushing the boundaries of what a cryptocurrency can achieve. Okay, that's gonna be amazing to see what it's gonna do when it is released. Okay, so let's see, join Telegram. We click it once, took us nowhere. Click it twice, took us nowhere. So we will, hopefully that is gonna be up and coming as well. Let's go ahead and click on this mint NFT button. I thought this was really interesting here. Mint Baby Biden NFTs. There's 150 minted, 150 of the supply, and it's sold out. Okay, revolutionizing the crypto world with leadership inspired by the United States President Joe Biden. And I bet you they sold out very, very fast. Okay, and didn't even give us an opportunity to get in there. Okay, so why Baby Biden's going to be big partnership, secure and safe, community powered, and CEX listing. Gives you a buy now button, which is probably not going to be in effect. This is going to be the roadmap. Okay, phase 1, establishing the website, social community channels, conducting and analyzing the market. Phase 2, you have a little bit Presale, PancakeSwap launch, collaborating with influencers, key opinion leaders in the crypto space to expand the reach. It's going to be kind of interesting there. Phase 3, Phase 4. You guys can kind of check this out at babybiden.us. You know, you can kind of give it a full read and a full breakdown of what you need. This is something else I was looking at. The tokenomics are not on here, which that was kind of interesting, but I do see that they have a buy and sell tax of 5%. And this is about it for their website. It looks pretty good. I love the artwork. It looks pretty nice on there. Let's see if we can pop out, see what other kind of information that we can get on this token. Make sure you guys do your complete due diligence on these tokens before you start dumping bags of cash in here to get your bag to try to make that money, because you do not want to get rubbed. All right, so we are on their X page right now. We're going to go ahead and follow this follow their X, their Telegram, things like that. Kind of let you know what the project is going to do. It says it has 2 following and 31 followers. Okay, it's a little interesting. Hard cap 60 BNB, max buy 0.4 BNB is pretty good. So you just can't come in there just purchasing everything from everybody. So everybody got the little memes rolling and all that, just like we drew it up. Oh, okay, you got jokes. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Let's go back over to Presale. And let's see if we can tap on their Telegram and see if it will let us in. Let's see. Okay. So it has 734 members. You want to make sure you check their Telegrams. You want to see if you can just kind of identify live, kind of like live interaction. Like people are actually trading this token. People are actively, speaking about it. I don't really see too much. Couple deleted messages, things like that. My Twitter account over 1 million. Shiba Army, never DM first. There's not too much information on this. As the days go by, we will keep continuing to do research on this token because you really have to break it down, because as I said, it's not released yet, so you still have your time. You don't have to really rush it too much. About a day and a half, almost 2 days. It gives you a little bit of time to do some research or see if you can find some information on this token. Okay, so this is the token address. Let's see if we can get any respect. I don't think it's gonna be here, but let's see if because Dexy sometimes has it. Oh, Dexy. See, baby Biden. See, sometimes it will be there, but there'll be like no trading information. It's like they set it up ahead of time, because it is going to be released in about a day and a half. So yeah, you're not going to get any information, but when it does release, all this will be filled in. Like I said, the market cap was, I think it was like almost 40,000. I said this will be on the BNB side of life, released through Pancake Swap. So all this will be filled in. Community trust, token description, hopefully. Okay, but until then, we're just gonna have to kind of wait it out. Okay, it has Chinese marketing, Twitter marketing, backed by big groups, low market cap, moon talk, BSC trends, big buy competition. So it's going to be something to look into. One more time, you can get this on pinksale.finance and connect your wallet. And there's a lot of other projects going on here, but this is going to be Baby Biden Presale. And it seems like it's going to be another meme coin, and with meme season rolling up on us quickly, never know what's going to happen. You guys let me know what you guys think down in the comments, what you guys think about this Baby Biden Presale. Till the next one, have a good day.